All right, so for this 2004 Honda Accord, what I did was I loosened the 12 millimeter, the bottom one, and then took it off and then loosened this top one, and then just fold it up. Okay, then we're gonna pop these out, and then pop this one out. See, yeah, they're pretty much done. And then push this back, put it right there, and then with the C clamp, push it in. Yeah, so with the C clamp, just turn it, and then it's gonna push it all the way in order so we could fit the new brake pads to go over the rotor. I gotta push the little cylinder back in. Mine didn't come with this little hardware. Sometimes they do. Mine didn't. These are fine though. And also, you want to put the one with the indicator when your pads are going out on the inside, because it's closest to the piston, and the piston pushes it out, so it'll give you an earlier warning that your brakes are going out. So we're just gonna slide them on, reverse order, slide them on, and then since we push the caliper in, it should slide right on. And I just noticed I didn't get no brake pad, glue, whatever. Should be all right, but I would definitely recommend it. I don't feel like going back to the store. Okay, let's shut down, see if we got them both on. Let's see if we can shimmy these on. There we go. And then the little screw down here, adjust it, and we're good now. We're good to put the screw, and then don't forget to. Damn, it is hot as hell. I am sweating. Death Row Records. I think I needed to change it. Mira, sheesh, no había nada. So for the other side, the little pins, since it was so wasted, my brakes, look, they were pretty much gone. The little pins, sometimes they come out too far because the caliper pushes this way, so the pins go out that way, and these are supposed to be moved right. And sometimes what happens is they get out of alignment. I think they fall out. They do fall out, whatever. They get so extended that they have a hard time coming back in. That's happened before. And so what I did, I just took the C clamp and gave some pressure to get it back in there, and it's good now. Yeah, so it wouldn't close, that's why, because this thing needs to come over this way, and then as it wears, it just goes out. So yeah, so we're good now. Now it's just 12 millimeter. And also don't forget to pump your brakes. It goes all the way down. Push out so the caliper. One, push it. See, nice and sturdy now. Don't forget to do that because you take off and it's not gonna want to break. We're good.